wasn't able to get the hydraulic line for my tractor yesterday, so I spent some time in the garage building this trellis for the melon planter for the melons to grow up on. We can use it later on to grow some cucumbers, and we'll be able to pick them from up above, because the melons are starting to get tall enough that it won't take long for them to climb all up that way. Come over here. We've got some green beans ready. Now we're not going to pick these right now because it's hot, but I've also noticed we're starting to get a little bit of sun still on these. So once I get the hydraulics fixed on the tractor, I'm probably going to move these green bean planters into the shade under some trees over there. That should help protect them from the heat so much. But while we're down here looking around at our potatoes, I noticed they're starting to pop up through the soil here, and they're not ready to harvest yet. They got some ways left to grow, but we don't want any green potatoes. So I brought down a bunch of the compost we made, and we're just gonna add a layer, maybe an inch or two on top, just to keep the potatoes covered. So that's what we're gonna be working on today. I'll see if I can get that hydraulic line tomorrow. I went to 6 stores yesterday that make the hydraulic lines, and apparently the people who make them only work on Tuesday. And doggone cabbage moth. It looks like these kohlrabi are ready, so I'm probably going to go ahead and take these out. That one can go a little bit longer. So that one can go a little longer. I think we got 2 ready. That one's ready, so let's just take these out. Taste later on. I mean, have to cut them off if it comes up out of this, so we dig them taters nice. Keep them. Still got 2 more in here. We'll keep them for later. Yeah, we got these taters covered. I just want to get them out of the way. You want to take that little shovel and start shoveling here. I'm going to check around this. It's got a ways to go. last of it in here. Still get cleaned up.